Hi YouTubers, working on herb. I'm still getting this splashing problems with the water. And it's sucking air in. Now, bear in mind, the pipe goes from the tank to the pump, and it goes from the pump to the tap. And the only thing is, the length of pipe from the tank to the pump might have a hole in it, where it's sucking air in. Or it's something to do with the filter that's on the input to the pump. Now, this is all in the bottom of the wardrobe, so I've had to empty the wardrobe. And I've got to take this wood out so I can get at the pump. Now, because of the shape of this bit of wood, it's easier for me to jam it upwards and then hold it with a bungee cord to the rail so I can work in here. This is the pump sitting here. There's the filter. That goes to the tank, that goes to the tap. All the other pipes are disconnected. There's the filter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to loosen the pump off and have a look at the filter and see what's going on. I can see the air in the filter. Right, so there's air definitely in that filter. So that looks like the filter's got a problem. Now, the filter actually comes apart. I've got the filter off, and it's two O-rings. There's a big O-ring round there, and there's a little one in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I've got any O-rings in my kit. See if I can replace them. Okay, I haven't got a O-ring big enough for this filter. I've got one for in there, but I haven't got one for the main one. But what I brought with me is some of this instant gasket material that you use on cars. So I'm going to spread some of that around the O-ring, reassemble it, and then put it all back together. But I've also noticed there's a it could be a crack or it could be a casting mark in this. So we'll have a go and see if it makes a difference. Okay, let's try it again. Look at that. No problem at all. So it's the filter. I'm going to buy a new one. All done and fixed with respect to the water. And it's time for me to head home. George sitting on a bench called Bye for Now.
Bye-bye.